Hello friends, this is Koushik. Welcome to my channel. So this is my daily to-do list for upcoming exam SBI Clerk 2022. So in the morning time, first I will read editorial and note down vocab, and after that I will see the current affairs video by Ashish Gautam sir from Adda, and after that I will give one mock test for prelims, and after that I will do some speed math test like simplification, quadratic equation and the number series. And then after that, in the afternoon time, I will analyze of that mock, and then I will do the sectional mock for reasoning for prelims, and then I will solve one RC reading comprehension from Sujit Kumar PDF, and then I will do 5 pre-level DI, and then in the night time I will solve one mains level puzzle, one mains level DI, and I will do the current affairs revision after that, and then I will do the vocab revision. And this is the routine for 25th January